Hi, welcome to my channel Right to Learn. In this session, we are going to discuss about custom list. What is custom list and how do we do that in Excel? A custom list in Excel is very handy to fill a range of cells with your own personal list. It could be a list of your team members at work, countries, regions, phone numbers or customers. The main goal of the custom list is to remove repetitive work and manual errors in inputting. So I'll show you in Excel. For suppose if I write Monday here, the day of a week, and if I drag across, so I got the days of the week. So how does Excel know that after Monday Tuesday has to come? So this list is already predefined in Excel. Likewise, we can define our own list in Excel and we call that list as custom list. For suppose I have 5 employees working in my organization, so with names Venki, Abhi, Jaya, Ramya and Harish. So I want this to be in custom list, so that if I write Venki here, the remaining 4 employees list should come. So like this, so only Venki is copied, but when I do custom list, after Venki, Abhi, Jaya, Ramya and Harish has to come. So I'll show you how do we do that. So for that we have 3 methods. The first one is we can enter the list directly, and second one we can import cells from workbook, and the third one we can import the custom list from the name range. So we'll go by one. So first I'll show you the predefined list. For that, go to File, Options, Advanced, go to General here. In General, you have Edit Custom List. Click here. See, all these are predefined list. Okay. So we cannot delete the predefined list in Excel. So we can create the new list. Go click here. Enter the names of the employees. Enter for each entry. After entering the list, click Add. See here, once I click Add, the employees got added here in the custom list. So and click OK. So now when I write Venki in the cell and if I drag it, I got the list. Previously I got only Venki. Since I have added the employees list in the custom list, so I got the employee list. We can also write any one of the employee list and the cycle repeats. Suppose if I write Harish, the last one, and if I drag here, I get the list. This is the first method. And the second one is we can select the, suppose I have this employee list in the cell. I don't want to enter directly from the options. So I'll just take the cells and take the reference from the custom list. For that, first we need to enter the list of employees or list of entries in the cells, in each individual cells. Let me take another list. Suppose I have these 4 cell entries. So what I do, I will go to File, Options, Advanced, go to General, Edit Custom List. So here, import list from cells. From here, I will take the reference. So I will just take this and use Shift and take the cells. Cell E7 to E10 and click Import. The cells are imported. See here, small, medium, large and extra large, and click OK. So if I write here small and drag it, I got the list. So this is the second method. And the last one or the third one, you can import the cells from the name range. So name range is for a range of cells, you can give a name to the range. Let me take an example. Like we have some departments in a company, like HR department, marketing, accounts, R&D. So I have these 4. So for this what I do is I give the name range like department. So for giving a name range, you can just go to the name cell. This is the name box. So write the name DEPT department and press enter. So the name list has been created, and you can use this name range across your workbook or any new sheet also, or any new workbook or existing workbook. Let me show you that also. So if I go here and if I enter, suppose you want to calculate the number of entries in the department name range. For that what you will do is equal to count A of DEPT. So DEPT is a name range which we have created. So we have 4 entries. So likewise we can use name range. So let me show you how do we do the custom list from name range. So similarly go to options, advanced. So the path is same for 3 methods, but how do we apply is different. Edit custom list. Here write is equal to DEPT. DEPT is our name range. Click on import. So once we import, the list will be displayed here. See here. See HR, marketing, accounts, R&D. So the list has been imported. Now click OK. So just write HR, drag it. You got the custom list. So in this way we can make custom list in 3 methods. And for suppose if we delete the name range, the custom list will not affect because we have already imported. Let me show you that. So go to formulas and delete the name range. Name range. So name range is DEPT. I am deleting it. So name range has been deleted. Check here. There are no name list. So if I write HR and drag it, still I get, because custom list is not affected. Go to options, advanced, general, edit custom list. The list is not affected. So because we have already imported it. So if you want to delete the custom list, come here and just select the list and delete it. That's it. And remember, we cannot delete the predefined list. So the delete option is not enabled for the predefined one. These are my custom list which I can delete. So in this way we can do the custom list. In case of any queries, please do comment below. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.